Hi, it's Julie from Clever Poppy. Let me teach you how to make some cute little Christmas gift bags. Well, you can use them for any occasion actually. So first of all, cut out a rectangular piece of wrapping paper and then fold each side in towards the middle. And once you've got that nice and straight, add some tape to secure it. Fold up the bottom of the bag and then you kind of open up the bottom so that you're making two triangles with the side, and then fold in towards the middle again and secure that with tape. This is going to be the bottom of your bag. While it's still flat, grab your hole punch and pop a couple of holes in at the top, and then you can open up the bag so that the base sits flat and it should be able to stand on its own now. Now all you need to do is pop your gift inside and add some ribbon to close off the gift bag and make it look oh so pretty. And doesn't that look lovely? You can play around with the size of the paper and how wide you want the base to be and make the gift bags as big or small as you like. And visit my website for lots more gorgeous Christmas and gift wrapping and general home decor DIY projects. See you there!